how to turn on page new messages notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page new messages notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines here in the top corner. Go down until you find settings and here click notifications, and now just click pages you manage and then select your page and click this one, page interactions, and you will find new messages. Just turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.